Jets, Jets. Today for the Jets game, we are here at Jjs Own, and we are going to prepare an amazing appetizer with our Jjs Own Basil Vinaigrette. Guys, look at all those fresh ingredients in one bottle. Simple, easy, delicious, and full of flavor. So, this is what we're going to do. We are going to take some Jersey tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, any tomatoes you want. We're going to dice them up in little pieces, and we are going to just simply put them in a bowl. We are then going to take Jjs Own Basil Vinaigrette. Guys, this is my personal stash. Just made it nice and fresh. Look at those. Look at that fresh basil. Look at that garlic. We are going to pour it over the tomatoes. It is so simple, so easy, guys. Look at this. This freshness of the tomatoes, the freshness of the basil. This is your simple bruschetta dish. I have here some toasted bread. You can put the grill marks on it, but a simple presentation, guys, for your house, for your game. There it is. You put your bread out. You could even use this as a side for chicken or steak or over a salad. But guys, this is all about the football game. This is all about tailgating. If you're at that game tonight, that means you passed headquarters of Jjs Own. We are at 133 Liberty Street in Little Ferry, New Jersey. And you should stop in and see me. Stop in for a bottle. Stop in for any one of our bottles of Jjs Own. We have our basil vinaigrette. We have our ginger soy. We have cilantro lime vinaigrette. We have white balsamic vinaigrette, we have honey mustard, and we have our house red wine vinaigrette. Guys, Jjs Own is all natural, no preservatives, and it's great on anything, whether it be an appetizer or a main dish. So guys, I hope you enjoy the game tonight.